welcome to the Co-op Cooking Show, hosted by Arkansas Valley Electric. I'm Gracie, one of your co-hosts for the cooking show.
Hello, and I'm Ruthie Qualls, the other co-host for the cooking show. Today we're going to go through some summertime favorite recipes to savor the rest of our summer.
And I'm Addison, and we invite you to join us as we put these recipes together.
To start off a taste of summer, today we're going to be making blackberry empanadas. This recipe can be found in the 1998 edition of the Arkansas Living.
The first step of this recipe is to create the blackberry filling. First we'll add half a cup of sugar, and then we'll add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to a saucepan. We're going to set this on medium heat, and then we'll gradually add in blackberry juice. So we bought a can of blackberry filling, and we separated the blackberries from the filling, and whenever this is heated up, we're going to add the filling in gradually and eventually add in the blackberries. Now we're going to add in the blackberries, stir it in, and then leave it to sit on cool. So we just added the blackberries to the mixture, and we set it on a different burner to just let it cool, and then we'll let it sit and add it in later. Next we'll be working on the cream cheese filling while we're letting the blackberry filling sit and cool. First we're going to start off with a 8-ounce pack of cream cheese and add it to our bowl. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix these ingredients until they're light and fluffy.
The next part of this recipe is to create the dough and fill it for this sweet treat. We went ahead and brought crescent roll dough to save some time, but normally you would use bread rolled dough and add milk to it. Now that we've flattened our dough, we're going to create a 4-inch circle. Now that we've got our 4-inch diameter, we're going to take a tablespoon of the blackberry filling on the bottom half. Next, we're going to do a tablespoon of our fluffy whipped cream cheese. And to seal it, we'll take our milk, put it along the edges, fold, and crimp. Now that we've put our filling in and milked the edges to make crimping easier, we're going to get a fork and crimp it. We've got our pre-greased pan, and we're going to add our second empanada. Okay, we filled our empanadas, and now we're going to mix our sugar with our melted butter. Once the mixture is combined, you're going to place a little bit on each empanada. Now we're going to place our empanadas in the oven for 15 minutes. Everyone needs a go-to punch for the summer, especially one to cool you down. We have found one from the Arkansas Living 1997 edition.
To start off with our recipe, we are going to have 2 cups of boiling hot water, which we put in this picture, and then we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. And we'll pour that in. Okay. Once you do that, you'll just grab a spoon and stir. You'll want to stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once you're done stirring it, you're going to grab a big punch bowl. You'll dump the water and sugar in the punch bowl. Once you pour the water and sugar into the container, you're going to add 6 more cups of water. And then you're going to add 3 packages of raspberry jello. Once that's all stirred in, we're going to add in the rest of our juices. To start off, we're going to add frozen orange juice. And you have 2 cans of frozen orange juice. And then after that, you're gonna add 3 cans of frozen lemonade. Okay, that one was really... Did you see the splash on that? After that, you're gonna add 3 cans of frozen pineapple juice. Now that everything's cleared and we've added everything in our punch bowl, if you have a punch bowl that's large enough, you can add a 2 liter or 2 of ginger ale to pour into your punch. If you don't have a punch bowl that's large enough, you can do 1 part ginger ale, 1 part punch. So we're gonna add our punch first. And then I'm gonna fill the rest up with ginger ale.
And now with our 2 recipes done, it's time to taste test.
And bananas first?
Yes.
Okay. I'll try this one. Just kidding, I'll try this one.
They're really sweet.
Pretty good.
They're
very
really sweet. The butter sugar glaze on top is like really, it makes it feel fried, but it's not. Like you can tell it's baked.
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
Oh, 10 out of 10. Easy.
10 out of 10. I think so too.
It was good. Okay.
Should we do drinks next?
Yes.
Okay.
Pinkies up.
That's so good.
That's good too. It's kind of tart, but it's also sweet.
It's very good.
It's refreshing.
It's like party punch.
Yeah, like New Year's Eve punch.
Yes, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it tastes
What would
really
you
good.
rate it?
I would definitely say a 10. I really like the ginger ale taste in it.
Mm-hmm.
I'd give it a 7.
Thank you so much for following along with us today. We had so much fun cooking these recipes.
I'll definitely be using these recipes this summer. Friends and family, watch out, you're about to see these.
Yeah, I think I'll be making the empanadas in my apartment at school too.
Yes. Make sure to like and subscribe below. Thank you guys.
Bye!